Yes, $17.9 billion from email. Hey there, future email marketing pros. Welcome to our channel Bizoix. Today, we're diving into the world of email marketing and uncovering the secrets of $17.9 billion. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. People are making millions of dollars through email marketing with a return on investment, ROI, of $42 for every $1 spent and higher conversion rates than other marketing channels. How much money can you make with your email? It depends on how much you know about email marketing. So let's check. So, what exactly is email marketing? Simply put, it's a form of digital marketing that uses email to promote products or services. Think of it as sending a friendly letter to your customers, but instead of asking how their summer was, you're offering them something valuable. And guess what? It's one of the most profitable marketing channels out there, with global revenue projected to hit $17.9 billion by 2027.
That's a lot of zeros.
Ready to rock the email marketing business? Let's dive into these three crucial aspects. First up, let's talk about data collection. As third-party cookies are being phased out, collecting email subscribers is a goldmine. But remember,
with great power comes great responsibility.
Make sure you're adhering to data privacy regulations like GDPR or CCPA. For example, offer a free ebook or a discount in exchange for their email.
It's a win-win.
Next, let's talk about inbound marketing. Email is a fantastic way to engage with prospects who've already shown interest in your business. These leads are warmer, meaning they're more likely to convert. Imagine you run a bakery. Someone signs up for your newsletter because they love your cupcakes. Now, you can send them recipes, special offers, and updates about new flavors. Hey, do you love cupcakes? Which flavor? Last but not least, personalization. The more you know about your customers, the better you can tailor your emails. Segment your lists by interests, location, age, and more. For instance, if you know someone loves cats, send them cat-themed products. If they're into fitness, send workout tips. It's like being a mind reader, but less creepy. So how much did you know about email marketing? Want to know more? Want to be a master in email marketing? Check out the guide link in the description below. Email marketing might seem simple, but there's an art and science to doing it right. Collect data responsibly, use email for inbound marketing, and personalize your messages. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and in the next video I will show you the killer strategies to build an email list quickly and easily. So subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Happy emailing!